Do you wanna start your own SMM panel website? Hey there, welcome to another project based tutorial where you will learn and build this using Perfect Panel, a software that allows us to build and manage our website. To host online, we will be using Lovato hosting platform, which is easy and affordable and supports easy cash and just cash. So start off with scriptbooster.org. You will go to this website, and from here go to the products and go to the Laravel PHP script, and from here choose the perfect panel. This is the script which we are going to use, and you will buy this one. Once you have bought this one, go to this website lovato.com, and from here we are going to buy our domain name. I will type my domain name and I will check if available. I will add to cart this one, and then I will check out. Now this will redirect us to this page. Now from here you guys can go to home page by pressing the back button, or you guys can go with the this one, and from here you can go with the business plan, and if you want to try out free trial, you can type free trial promo code. So this will give you a 100% off on the hosting, and from here you will choose monthly or annually, whatever you prefer. So if you want to get the trial, you guys can choose the monthly, and in other case on the annually you have to like pay this amount. And from here you guys can use the promo code host15 to get an extra discount, and from here you will check out. Once you have bought your hosting and domain, you will go to your account, and from here let me just go to my client area dashboard. Once you have bought this one and your hosting is activated, and you will go to this services section, or you guys can go from view details. So let's click this one here, and now from here I will click to login to control panel. This is very simple. If you not have pointed the DNS, you guys can point using the name servers, and from here I am in the control panel. This is the area where we will build our website and create it. So first of all, I will change the PHP version to 7.4. Why? Because our software which we have going to install is going to require that, and that's why we are basically using it. Now the next step is to upload our file and extract them. So let's go to the file manager, and from here you will go to public HTML folder. If there is any file in the public HTML folder like index.html, you will delete it like the normal key on the like keyboard. So from here I will upload this one, and now using my mouse I will right click on this one, and then I will left click to extract here. Now there will be another file inside it. You will also going to extract that. Keep note, this database SQL file you guys can download, which we are going to import later. So if you want to import it later, I can just copy it, or you guys can import it using like download this file, and later we are going to upload in the PHP my admin So then you will extract this file here again, and now our script has been like extracted. Now we just have to connect our website to the databases. So first of all, let's go to the app folder, and from here we have this config file. Open this one, and now we are going to fill the details here, but before that we must have to create the database. So I think so first of all let me put just these details, which here your website name or domain name, and also here your website domain name. Like I will paste this, and now it's done. So below this one is time zone. If you want to change, you can do that. So now these are the database details. So to connect that, we have to create a database. From here go to MySQL databases, and from here you will type like 6-7 letters, and using that you can create the database. So let's type our database name here, whatever we want to use. So I will give it like SMM etc name. So now I will click to create database. It will create a database for me, also give me the username and password for the database. So now what I can do, I can basically copy these details and I can connect to my website. But before that, let me open the PHP my admin also, so we can import the database which we have. So you guys can see this is local host or your server or host server, and this is your database name, and also this is your database username. Okay, and on the right side, this is your password. We are going to copy these details and we are going to fill them. Okay, so I will go to the SQL tab, as I already had copied that file. But if you want, you guys can click to this import button in the same section, and from there you guys can just drag and drop your file which you have downloaded on the screen, here, and then you can import that. You can do in both ways, whatever you prefer. Okay, so you can you will click to the go button and this will import your database. Okay, so this is very easy, and my database is active now. So just we have to copy paste these details here. So I will paste this host here. This is my host. Mostly if you are using another hosting, they will have local host, but we have a separate host as we have many databases servers. So that's why we are using this one. So it makes easier to dealing with only that traffic which have connected to the that server. So, okay, so now I will paste these details here. So the password remaining, I will copy that and I will paste that there. Okay, let me copy this one and I will paste this here. So now I will just click to save and close this one. Now we are ready to visit our website. So this is our website is ready. Now we can just go to our website. So this is our website. I will go here and this website is ready to use. So now if you can see, this has amazing homepage section, and these are the other pages you guys can see. To go to admin panel, I will type /admin here, and this will open this challenge, and then after verifying it will redirect to us to this one. So the password and details are given in the file guide, and we are going to use them. Okay, so this is the dashboard where you will control your website. These are the member controllers, and here you guys can process orders. Here are your services which you have in website, and you guys can also import new services, but for that you have to add the API key from another provider. Okay, you guys can resell them easily, and from here, so you guys can create a new service here if you want to just own services. And here are your payments. We have Easy Paisa and Jazz Cash in it. You guys can see here, and you guys can create a new payment. You can say admin can add the funds to the user's account. We can do that. And from here, this is the support section. You can manage its tickets. So this is settings, and from here you guys can control payment methods. So you guys can see here the accounts. This is Easy Paisa, Jazz Cash. You guys can edit this one according to your needs. Then here you guys can say Perfect Money, PayPal. These are the accounts whichever you prefer. You guys can use them. So Stripe, etc. Okay, so then we have the service provider section. We can add the API key from the third party. If we want to resell the SMM panel services, we can do that. So to do that, we have to copy the API key from that provider and the API URL from that provider. So I will copy this API key, and also I will go in the API section. Then I will copy paste the link. Okay, so let's click to the add. So I will paste the key here and balance limit, currency, etc. Then I will add that. Okay, so I'm just going to close this one. Once you will add this one, you guys can import the services in the section. Okay, so this is the theme editor. You guys can choose from these over 10 over themes are available here. You guys can use this one. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you to build your own SMM panel website. If so, give a thumbs up, like to the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.